Welcome, drone video fans. My name is Bill, and in this 3.5-minute video we're going to take a look at some fall tree color that I shot at the end of October. This is a nature conservancy located in Rome, Ohio, which is about 18 miles south of the shore, Lake Erie, and that'd be about 28 kilometers. And we're in this meadow, and this meadow is lined with these trees. And I've come down here to shoot before. I had to come down here because the trees were not quite to full color where I live along the shore of Lake Erie. But now, a few weeks later, they are in full color, but the weather's been lousy to shoot. So we thought we'd put this one up there and give you a chance to see some really nice fall colors, especially this nice red tree in the front, which really kind of stands out amongst the others there in the meadow. And we're going to kind of slowly creep along here at a very slow rate, maybe a couple miles an hour, and then decided to change angles here by shifting and sort of flying off sideways and catching the trees. And you see the sky was very blue. This day was like one good day out of a couple of weeks. We had some really lousy weather, but this day turned out to be just great. This is a real nice shot here. You can see the nice red tree over there on the right side, and as we're turning, it's now towards the center. We're just kind of rotating here and going to face back towards launch point, which is out to the east. As you can see, the sky is getting brighter here, and then as we got in this direction, it kind of changed my exposure rate, so it's a little bit overexposed here, but it's just going to be for a short period. But we're at 2x zoom here also, and get a little closer look. I'm not really that close to the trees, so we're back to 1x zoom here, and I flew to this vantage point beyond the outbuilding here, and wanted to just kind of fly slowly and get some video of the meadow, the trees, the skyline. It's all really nice out here, and I said it was an ideal location for a fall color shoot. Still hoping to get something in closer to home, but we wanted to spend a little time here. We dropped down in the meadow and came a little bit closer to this red tree. I don't know if that's a sugar maple or what it is. I didn't get close enough myself to make out what it was, but sure is really a nice bright red color, and kind of stands out there by itself in the meadow. So we're gonna kind of back it up here and head on back to the ranch. This is just a short video here, and I hope you enjoyed the fall colors. This is the time of year for it. If your area has the same thing, I'm sure you've enjoyed these kind of colors for yourself in your own local area. Thanks for stopping by and watching. Leave a comment if you're so inclined, and come back again soon.